Let's put the color for the whole drawing. So we are going to put the color from the left side. For a good expression and good drawing, the color combination is quite important. Now we're going to draw the other parts. All right, so for the hands we're going to put different colors. Let's put this color. All right, this is a very soft color as you can see from the drawing, but it's make differentiation with the around spaces, so that's why the hands looking good. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the videos. All you can do the practice. That's the simple step for the beginners. Do practice. Also observe the drawing style. You can browse through the playlist of this channel, and if you go through the playlist you can have lots of options. You can select your own choices from different categories. Then you can go for learning step by step. And I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get new updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.